Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start with a focus checklist. Confirm your Autodesk account and any product serials, then run as administrator. Once done, close AutoCAD and temporarily disable real-time antivirus. This prevents installer blocks. Next, download the Autodesk desktop app and the AutoCAD 2021 installer for your OS. Save them to a local folder. Then launch the desktop app and choose Repair or Uninstall/Modify. You'll see options to repair files, components, and licensing. Proceed to repair. This rewrites corrupted files without a full reinstall. Once repair begins, focus on components and licensing. Open Programs and Features and choose Repair on AutoCAD 2021, or use Autodesk's Uninstall tool to modify and repair components. After that, update or roll back the graphics driver. Many errors stem from GPU mismatches, and temporarily remove third-party plugins. Then reset licensing. Sign out from the Autodesk account, run the Autodesk licensing service repair, and sign back in to refresh tokens. These steps correct component and license mismatches that trigger the genuine Software2 message. Finish by restarting Windows and running AutoCAD 2021 as administrator to validate activation. Make sure to re-enable antivirus and run AutoCAD updates. This secures repaired files and restores signatures. If you use plugins, reinstall only those verified compatible with 2021. If the genuine Software2 message persists, collect installation and licensing service logs, note exact error text, and contact Autodesk support. One key troubleshooting tip: create a clean Windows user profile and test AutoCAD there.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.